safe in this place. I'm not safe. Writing this down. I'm trapped, you psychopath. As you squat down to give it to me.